Okay. So these are our guides, Felix, John, and Bon. So we're going to a bigger cave today.
Yes, it's different cave from the previous one.
Okay. The other hunters have already gathered some nests, so we're just gonna check on what they have.
Okay, okay, fine.
How deep are we going today?
It's just easy cave.
Okay.
And they are selling this today, January. It's just 400 pesos per 10 grams. So about 4,000 per kilo.
Okay.
So this is just raw. They are going to clean it first. They will remove the dirt.
So how much would this pile sell for once it's cleaned?
3,000 or less. A half day of their hunting. So they just collected this few.
So 2 people, half a day, about 3,000 pesos.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go. What kind of ants is that?
That's a fire ant.
These guys. Alright, we're at the cave. We're going in. This is a very tight cave. Okay. Alright, we made it. Cave's a lot bigger now. So here we have the bird poop. It's a sign that they're close. Is there a nest directly up from here? So he's just taken a stick and knocked it down so we can collect. So I've just climbed up there. We don't have any more nests in this cave, we just have these 2. So we're gonna relocate to a new cave and keep searching. I really should not have worn my nice shirt for this. 1 cave done. We just made it to the 2nd cave here. So we're just about to go in.
Relax.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's on now. Alright, now we keep moving.
Another bird's nest. Bulok mo. Ay. Ano? Ang bulok mo.
The next one will be good though. These are the nests. They're just starting now. Oi. Beautiful. So he's just gone all the way to the top of this cave. Way up there. And below him is this pit. So I'm gonna wait right here while he gets the nest. Okay, he's back.
5, 6.
Okay, very good. That's all for this cave, so we're heading back up this wall. Okay,
How was it?
it's pretty good.
You,
Fruits of our labor.
Puti-puti.
We've finished the 2nd cave. We have a bag of bird nests. We're just relaxing now and then we're gonna head back and I'll make this into soup later. Oh.